Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another all-day cleaning, whole house clean with me video. This video is almost 20 minutes long, so lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration for you guys today. As usual, before we get started with the cleaning, I'm showing you some of the mess in the house here, and some parts of the house are not that messy, and then others like the kitchen, around the kitchen sink, there's tons of dishes to wash. The boys' bedroom is a disaster because Kyle hasn't been feeling well the past few days, and so he hasn't been able to clean his room a lot, and I've been really busy, so I haven't gotten a chance to clean his room. So yeah, it's pretty much a disaster, as you can see. So we are going to work on getting this whole house cleaned up today. We're going to be cleaning every single room in the house besides the spare room where we just have like our workout equipment and stuff. So besides that, we will be cleaning the whole house today. And so before I got started with the cleaning, I just wanted to go around the house and gather up all of the laundry and go ahead and get my first load of laundry started, because I knew that there was going to be tons of laundry today, so I wanted to go ahead and get that started before we got to the cleaning. I got that first load of laundry started in the washer, and then I already had a load in the dryer from the evening before, so I went ahead and folded those. Now that laundry is folded and put away, I'm going to wash the window here in the laundry room, and I'm going to be using Zepp streak-free glass cleaner, and Zepp is sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be introducing you to their cleaning products. So Zepp is a leading innovator, producer, and distributor of professional grade cleaning solutions with more than 80 years experience in developing the most effective products trusted by professionals and pro-seeker consumers to get the job done right the first time. And I have been loving their cleaning products. I've been using them around my house. I really love this glass cleaner that I'm using here. It definitely is streak free. It does such an awesome job. It gets the glass so shiny and clean, and I just love trying out new cleaning products. I know it seems like lately I've been trying out so many different new cleaning products, but like I said in a previous video, it just makes cleaning more fun when you get some new cleaning products to try out and to work with, and it's awesome when you find out that they work so awesome, which is what I discovered with these Zepp cleaning products. They work so good. I'm using the stainless steel cleaner on this garbage can here because it was just covered in fingerprints and it was so dirty, and here you can see just how shiny it got afterwards, so you can see just how good that these cleaners work. Now I'm moving into the master bathroom. We're going to do some cleaning in here. First thing I did was to wash the mirror, and I'm using that Zepp streak-free glass cleaner here on the mirror in the bathroom, and this cleaner is ammonia-based professional grade glass cleaner, which I can definitely tell after I clean the mirror. The mirror is just so shiny and clean, no streaks at all. It removes the grime, dirt, and fingerprints for windows, mirrors, and other glass surfaces. I will have the link for Zepp down below in the description box, so be sure that you go and check them out. These cleaners are awesome. They work amazing, so I definitely recommend them. So go and click that link and check out their website and all the other cleaners that they have to offer. And as always, let me know down in the comments what you're getting cleaned along with me or what you're going to clean after you watch this video. Some of you love to watch these videos while you're cleaning, and then some of you like to watch them and then go clean, like get your inspiration and then go and clean your house. I've been loving listening to music or like podcasts. As you can see, I had earbuds in for most of this cleaning video, and it just really helps to motivate me to be listening to like motivating music or speaking or something like that while I'm cleaning. It just gets me going. And of course, coffee as well definitely helps, especially for these all day whole house clean with me videos. You just need some type of inspiration and motivation to do it because it's a job. This cleaning did take me all day long. You guys ask, how long does my cleaning take me? And this did take me all day long, and it mainly takes me all day long because I'm taking care of 2 kids. I have a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old, and so I'm trying to take care of them in between trying to get all this cleaning done. I have to stop to get them snacks or lunch or just, you know how it goes, and so it ends up taking me all day long. But I do not clean like this every day. Like, my everyday cleaning is just a quick pickup in the house. You can go watch my morning cleaning routine if you want to see that. This much cleaning I only do about once a week. Like, usually at the beginning of the week on a Monday or Tuesday, I get all the laundry done. I clean all day long, just do like a nice deep clean in the house and get everything vacuumed so that I am all set for the week. And this right here is just a mom life moment. Owen took the rest of his banana that he was eating and smashed it on top of his brand new comforter. I kind of panicked, but I was like, no, I'm sure that I can get this out. Put a little bit of spot remover on there, and it just came right out. And I've discovered, having 2 boys, I was nervous to get white bedding for their room, but I've discovered that these Betty's beds clean so easily. Now I'm working on getting the boys' bedroom cleaned up, and I recently gave this room a makeover. If you haven't seen that video yet, then you definitely need to go and watch it. I will link it down below. Okay, so far we've gotten the laundry started, both of the bedrooms and bathrooms cleaned, and now we're out here on the kitchen working on getting this cleaned up. After we get the kitchen cleaned up, then we'll work on the living room areas. We are getting closer to being done with this whole house cleaning. If you guys are cleaning your house, just stick to it. We're almost done. And something else that motivates me to keep cleaning is just thinking about how nice it's going to feel to have a clean house. I love the feeling of the whole house being clean. Took a break from cleaning the kitchen because I needed to put Owen's bedding into the dryer, but before I could put it into the dryer, I had to fold all of the clothes that were in the dryer, so I just quickly did that. When I have this many loads of laundry to get done and get put away, I just like to fold it straight out of the dryer. I know I've said that before, it just makes it easier for me. After I got the bedding put in the dryer, then I had to start another load of laundry. I still had 2 more loads to go. It just never seems to end, but at least I was all caught up by the end of the day. And that bedding, I just put it in the dryer for just a little bit, and then I just went and hung it out in the living room to finish drying because I just wasn't sure if I wanted to leave it in the dryer for the full time. I'm sure it would be fine, but yeah. Last thing to do in the kitchen was to wipe down all of the surfaces, the table, the countertops, and my stovetop needed a really good cleaning, so I'm using this Zepp Heavy Duty Citrus Degreaser. My stovetop is really greasy, so this thing has been working awesome to be able to use on my stove. This is a restaurant grade degreaser. It removes oil, grease, adhesive, and kitchen soil. You can use it on your stovetops, appliances, countertops. It's just a great product to have in your kitchen. And you can see here just how shiny and clean my stovetop was after I use it. Like I said, it's an awesome product. After I straightened up the living room areas, I got out the vacuum and got all of the carpet vacuumed, and then I worked on the wood floor. The boys had spilled a little bit of popcorn over by the movie area, so I had to get that vacuumed up as well. And about once a week, I like to get out this corded vacuum and just vacuum all of the floors in the house really good. And then for the everyday quick vacuum, I just use my cordless vacuum. I'm sure that you other moms can relate that it just seems like the floor under the table gets dirty so fast, especially with Owen. He's just started sitting on the bench there to eat, and so sometimes he makes, well, sometimes, basically every time he eats, he makes messes on the floor, and Kyle spills stuff sometimes too, so I could basically probably vacuum under the table after every meal. Now I am mopping all of the wood floor in the house, and I'm using my O Cedar spray mop. I bought this off of Amazon and I have it linked in my Amazon storefront. The link for my Amazon storefront is down in the description box, and you can open the description box under the video by clicking the little arrow to the right underneath of the video, and that will open up the whole description box. You can click to go to my Amazon storefront there, and I link all of my cleaning products that I use in there, and other home products as well. I think I have these glass jars linked in there. So after I was done with all of the cleaning, finally I got some lemon essential oil diffusing in my oil diffuser. It smelled so good and it felt so good to have a nice clean house. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and thank you again to Zepp for sponsoring this video. I will have the link for their website down below so you can go and check them out. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!